Well, tip top of the day to you, family. Coach Pierre here again. And today I want to teach you 7 game changing AI powered tools for real estate agents. Let's go. One of the things I want to teach you is that if you're not using AI in your business today, I'm not even sure how to help you, because AI has allowed us to collapse the time that it takes us to do anything and allows us to scale our business to levels that we could not even imagine. So, one of our tools that we really do love is one called Veed.io. Veed.io create pro level videos with our pro level skills. We love it. It allows us to really take back the power in our marketing and creating content. So we love that. So one of the things in Veed.io that we like is you can create a project. You can record right in the platform. You have projects. You can create templates, your brand kit. You can even create AI avatars. Pretty awesome. I think I'm also going to be talking about one of those as my another project that I have. You can create these avatars. Another one is create clips. Now, clips is going to be great because what clips allows you to do is take these big videos, right? And then you're going to cut them up into small little pieces. Now you say, well, coach, I don't have any videos. I'm going to give you a really cool tip. Lean in. Here is one. What I want you to do is I want you to go find you a bunch of different YouTube channels, podcasts, anyone that interviews real estate agents, mortgage companies, there's a bunch of them. And I want you to go on their podcast and go to their studio, preferably if they have a studio. If not, get on the line. And then you're going to take that video of them interviewing you. You don't have to worry about what to say. They're going to ask you the questions. You're going to do it. You take the video, you go over the smart clips, you upload it, and then boom, it's going to take that video and it's going to bite it up into small pieces, family. Break it up into sections. It's going to take it out and it's going to give you a title. It's going to give you the content. You then take this and you put it on YouTube Shorts. You put it on Facebook. And if you don't know how to do that, make sure like and subscribe, because I'm going to be teaching all of that right here on this channel. So definitely one of my top picks is Veed.io. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. Many of you may have heard of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the grandfathers of all things AI. We also use ChatGPT in our business. But one of the ones that we absolutely love here at Project Max is Agent GPT. Now, Agent GPT, think about ChatGPT, it's different, right? It has a conversation and you could go back and forth. Agent GPT, what it does is you're pretty much deploying AI agents to get the job done. So watch this example right here. I go to Agent GPT, I type in my real estate marketing expert. And then the goal is to help me get more seller listings in Queens, New York. Now, one of the things I want you to understand with AI and GPT, the more specific you are, the more clear you are on what it is that you're trying to do, is the better it can help you. Don't forget that. So now I have everything that I want to do, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit run. And look at what's going to happen. It's going to start creating a task, research popular real estate websites, added a tag, contact these websites. Then it goes out and it starts searching. It went to Zillow, it went to Trulia, it went to Realtor, it goes to Deadfin. After it's finished with that, it says, okay, great, here's what we're going to do. And it just starts going through this process where it's creating this plan for you. It's so amazing. And I'm thinking, like, if you would just use this one tool to help you with branding, to help you with laying yourself up, Agent GPT is that tool to get you up and running quick, fast, and in a hurry. Let's take a look at the next one. The next one is going to be one of my favorites, and it's called Designer.io. Designer.io. I love Designer because it's a quick way for you to do ebooks. So if you ever wanted to create like a book, you have to have these lead magnets to give out. Always think about when you're working with a buyer or seller, it's all about fair trade. You're in the business now where you're going to be sharing with them information on the process of buying or selling or investing in a property. So you need to have some content and some information to put out there. So what I love about Designer is that you can create an ebook or a lead magnet from almost anything. So let's just say I click on the new ebook and it says, what do you like to create? I want to do an ebook. That's great. What's the format? I want it to be a flip book. I can do EPUB. I can do anything I want, but I'm going to go with a flip book for now. I like it to select for my baseline. I want to upload the file. So it's going to say, okay, great. Where do you want the file from? And there you go. I can bring it in from YouTube. I can bring it from podcasts. I can do it from a PDF. I can do it from a raw video. I can do it from a blog. Anything. You just bring it in and it's going to create the book for you. And then what's the theme? It's going to be a business. You do that. You upload that. You whack the button. It does the magic. And then boom, it gives you something just like this. This is one of our seller pre-listing packets that we have for some of our team members. And look at this right here. This is amazing, 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 amazing. And obviously you can create a Canva, but there's some editing involved in it. It doesn't automatically do the exact all of what I just showed you just out the box. You're gonna have to adjust some stuff inside of it. But again, you can do this for blog posts, you can do it for YouTube, or you can do it for that podcast that I've been teaching you on. If you go get the podcast, now we take the podcast, we can put it on the YouTube shorts, we can put it on our Facebook page, but now we can put it into these ebooks. We could give away that content from that podcast. Man, that's a good one. I can't wait. So I want to make sure that you go ahead and check out Designer.io. Let's go and take a look at the next one. Here's another one that I absolutely love too. It's called roomview.com, and I love it because they have a lot of free stuff that you can get in and you can get done tonight. A lot of video content that you can do specific to your niche, specific to your neighborhood. But some of the things that I absolutely love, one of the things I love is your market update. You can put your zip code in, and powered by AI, they will give you a market update video. I love it. It's absolutely amazing. You can also audit your Instagram on there, and they have another couple of options where you can actually create your own listing video, create your welcome video, along with some other things that they have that you can do here. Roomview.com. Go check it out. Sign up for a free account tonight. It has a lot of AI features built into it. I guarantee that you're going to enjoy it every step of the way. Let's take a look at the next one. But here's another one. Hang on to your seats just for a little bit. This one I love a lot, and it's called My PPO. Now, My PPO is an AI-powered video production platform that allows you to use artificial intelligence to create content. So I showed you quite a few already, but My PPO is great. The reason why I love it is for the ability to clone myself. So what I did was I recorded my video of myself, and they took the video, they put it together, and now it created this avatar that my team can go in. They can just go to ChatGPT, they can create a script, they can put it in, and now I can put out content faster than anyone else because the avatar is the one speaking just like me, has my voice, has everything in there. And I'm telling you, it's a great way if you want to, because not every day you're going to feel posty. I gotta go post content today. You need to put out content every single day. So definitely checking out My PPO. There's a bunch of them out there, but this is the one that I use. We love it here at our team, and I tell them you better go check it out. It's something that can grow your business in many, many different ways. Let's take a look at the next one. Now, this one has been around for a while, and I love it because it gets right to the source of what it is that we're trying to do. And that, my friends, is offers.com. Offers.com, it's real simple. We predict listings. They have an AI algorithm that predicts which homes are most likely to sell. Now, I've used them in the past. I've used many other AI platforms in the past to predict sellers. Here's what I want to make full disclosure. It's not magic. Not because they predict that this person is most likely to sell, that means that you're going to get your business right away. What you need to do is have a steady flow, a pipeline, a shelf of people that you're adding value to every single month, that when they are ready to sell or ready to buy, you're the obvious choice. I think most times I see agents, most of the times they focus so much on trying to get the right now business that they forget about the business that's going to come later on down the line. So I want you to understand that even though I'm showing you some of these tools, you still have to put some work in, okay? But definitely you guys want to check out offers.com. They're great. They have the AI algorithm built in to predict their sellers any single way that you go. So you want to go ahead and check those out as one of the tools that we've used here at our team, offers.com. Let's take a look at the next one. Now, this one is my absolute favorite. I want to introduce you to Pro Agent Max. It's an AI powered solution for real estate agents. Full disclosure, this is something that I created along with my business partner, James. And we created this because I've been selling real estate in New York City for the past 17 years now. So I understand the power in following up. But the challenge that we have is that number one, we don't have a steady flow of leads coming in. And number two, we're not having enough conversations in order to get us the business, right? So one of the things that we did was we created Pro Agent Max to solve those two problems. So the first thing that's inside of Pro Agent Max is Max Ads. And Max Ads is just done for you ad platform where you can advertise on any way that you want: TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, it doesn't matter. So you have the opportunity to market on all these different areas. But the challenge is that some folks say, well, I don't know what to do because I'm not a great marketer. Well, what we did was we actually created a lot of the content for you. So let's say you come in and you wanted to create an ad around sellers. Well, the ad is already written. The copy is already written. If you wanted to change it, there's nothing in there. You have an AI copywriter. That's pretty cool. There's AI targeting. That's also really cool. But all you got to do is come in. Your name is already going to be populated. Your CD is going to be populated. Everything is going to be done. And this is a lead magnet that your leads can opt into, and they'll get it. So that's the first thing. And then you set your budget for about $10 a day, $15 a day. Kind of gives you an average between 5 to 10 in that area. You'll get about 2 to 13 clicks. You'll reach about 380 to 6. It's really, really intuitive. But that's not the best part. The best part is that when you start running these ads, done for you, by the way, so you can come in tonight and you can start running ads almost immediately. But once you start doing that, the people start responding, and that's where Max comes in. We have an AI, an artificial intelligence called Max, that has conversations with these leads and tries to book them onto an appointment. So what do I mean about that? Well, okay, so this is the Max inbox. And you have all these conversations, and it scores them based on how many times they respond. It scores them based on who opens the email, gives them a point. So now you can see, wait a minute, this person right here, John Wayne, man, this guy has 45 points. I might want to have a conversation with that guy. Does that make sense? But now look at Max right here. So somebody comes in, and let's say they're coming in on one of the different ads that we ran, which is just kind of go up a little bit more. It says, yes, send me the list of price reduced homes. Max comes back and says, hey, Foma, this is Max from Star Realty. It's going to say your company. It's going to be whatever wherever you work. Thanks for reaching out. Get newly updated list of price reduced homes in such and such area. Once that happens, the person responds. Max ends up in a conversation back and forth until finally all the way down. He books them an appointment. He says, okay, we have an available time. Goes, looks at your calendar that's connected to Pro Agent Max, right? And then books them onto an appointment, sends you a notification. Now you have an appointment to have a conversation with that buyer. Think about what that will do for your business. So that's Pro Agent Max. Is hands down one of my favorite tools that I love. And here's what I want to share with you guys. Look, listen. At the end of the day, real estate really comes down, it's real simple. It's contacts, conversations, and conversions. Okay? You want to get enough contacts so that you can have a conversation, so that you can convert them onto an opportunity. So I hope that you enjoyed these AI powered tools that I shared with you today. And I have lots more that I can share with you, but I think this is just enough to get you started. So again, it's my pleasure to serve. It's my pleasure to teach. And if you have any questions, drop the comments below. I'm always showing up, and I'll be happy to answer anything that you have. Have a great day. See you at the top, guys.